Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mehreen Qasim and I am from PMEI school system. Today's video is about grammar, part 2, abstract and plural forms from unit number 1, simplicity and humility of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Today we are going to discuss abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun that deals with mental ability. Abstract nouns are opposite of concrete nouns. Opposite होते हैं ये concrete nouns के. They can only be thought of or felt. Cannot be seen or touched. नहीं देखा जा सकता, नहीं छुआ जा सकता. An idea is a thought. Idea is a thought. Happiness is a feeling. Happiness, fear, anger, hate, love, they are all feelings. Kindness is a quality. क्वालिटी है ये. लाफ्टर एक्शन है. ब्यूटी इज अ स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग. वी कैन से abstract nouns are words that name ideas, feelings, experiences, qualities and concepts. सिंपली हम कह सकते हैं कि abstract nouns वो nouns होते हैं जिनकी फिजिकल बॉडी नहीं होती, बस हमारे जहन में इनका आइडिया होता है. ये फिज़िकली एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते और ये हमारे 5 सेंसेस के थ्रू हम इनको परसीव नहीं कर सकते. वी कैन सिंपली से दैट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स आर ऑपोजिट टू कंक्रीट नाउन्स. हाउ? लेट्स कंपेयर देम. कंक्रीट नाउन्स आर दोज नाउन्स जिनकी फिजिकल बॉडी होती है, छुआ जा सके, देखा जा सके, सुना जा सके, सूंघा जा सके. कैन बी सीन. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन कैन नॉट बी सीन. कंक्रीट नाउन हैज़ अ फिजिकल बॉडी while abstract noun has not. Concrete noun can be touched while they cannot be touched. Concrete noun can feel. Abstract noun cannot be felt. Concrete noun can smell while they cannot. Right? If we say stool, door, pen, chair, laptop, wire, bangles, copy, book, etc., we can touch it. We can touch these things, right? They have their physical appearance. While if I say generosity, anger, charity, democracy, love and freedom, they don't have their physical bodies. These are ideas, right? So we can say abstract nouns are those nouns that we cannot see, hear, touch, taste or smell. These are concepts. We have some examples here. He was given an award for his courage. Courage, himmat, that's a quality. His art teacher applauded his creativity. Creativity is a quality again. Your friendship is precious to me. Friendship. Pakistan got freedom from British rule in 1947. Freedom. She thought that happiness is the most important thing. Happiness. He was awarded for his bravery. Bravery. There are some more examples of abstract nouns. Success, intelligence, bravery, anger, confusion, peace, honesty, patience, etc. Always remember that abstract nouns deals with mental ability and abstract nouns are words. ये वो अल्फाज होते हैं जो कि आइडिया, ख़यालात से, एहसासात से, तजर्बात से, क्वालिटीज़ से, खुसूसियात एंड कॉन्सेप्ट से जो है वो डील करते हैं. और इनकी फ़िज़िकल बॉडी नहीं होती. फ़िज़िकली हम इनको टच नहीं कर सकते. राइट? ओके. फिज़िकली इनकी बॉडी नहीं होती और हम इनको हमारे 5 सेंसेस जो हैं इनको हम अप्रोच नहीं कर सकते सिवाय कुछ के. राइट? ओके. लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स our next topic and that is plural nouns. What are plural nouns? Actually, some nouns change their meanings in the plural form arm and arms. Arm means a part of body, while arms weapons. Similarly, there are some more nouns. ऐसे बहुत से nouns हैं जिनके मीनिंग्स जो हैं वो मुख्तलिफ हो जाते हैं जब हम उनको कन्वर्ट करते हैं इनटू प्लूरल फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गुड एंड गुड्स. गुड मीन्स अच्छा, you have done good. He has a good handwriting. She's a good teacher. While goods mean cargo, load, freight. They sell their goods to the market. Or the goods arrived undamaged. Or we don't carry leather goods. Spectacle, wood and woods. Wood means timber. लकड़ी की बात हो रही है. The wood burns. The wood floats on the water. I would like to chop wood. My desk is made of wood. Woods, forest, woodland. Okay. I saw some flowers in the woods. Spectacle and spectacles. Spectacle means sight, vision, view. You are making a spectacle of yourself. Nazara. It was a spectacle not to be missed. Yeah, the sunset was a stunning spectacle. Spectacles. Spectacles mean glasses. He polished his spectacles with a handkerchief. Character. Character conduct. Characters mean role. Manner, manners. Manner mean a method, tarika. Manners mean etiquettes, adab. Force. Force, power, strength. While force is army, manpower. Now what you are going to do with this exercise, you have to make good, simple and easy meaningful sentences from these plural nouns. This is it for today. Hopefully this would be very easy for you. Thank you so much.